My name's Amy from Anchor Cars, and today I'm going to be taking you through this vehicle. If you do have any questions following on from the video, please don't hesitate to give us a call on the number shown above, and our salesman will be more than happy to go through those with you. Today we have the 2021 Skoda Enyaq. This vehicle has done just over 36,000 miles. It has an automatic transmission and a fully electric motor. To the left of our steering wheel, we have voice control as a feature, as well as cruise control. On the right, we have assist and automatic headlights. Moving on to our screen, we can access our key features, which include charging, our vehicle settings, navigation, radio and media, smart link, our assist systems and smartphone integration. If we put the vehicle into reverse, we can see that it comes with parking sensors. As we go into the back of the vehicle, we can see that all of our seats have a black leather trim. Thank you for watching the video. Our opening hours are Monday to Friday 9 till 6, Saturday 9 till 5 and Sunday 10 till 4. I'll also be displaying our contact details on the screen for you now.